Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the best and easiest way to update your drivers using Driver Booster. Let's get started. First, go to the link in the description below to download Driver Booster. Once you're on the official website, click on the free download button. Select Save. After the download is complete, locate the setup file and double-click on it. Now click Run. Click Install. Next, click Accept to agree to the terms, and wait for the installation to finish. When the installation is complete, you'll see an option to click No Thanks. Now, disable the Learn More online option by unchecking it, and click Scan Now. The program will automatically open and start scanning for outdated drivers. Once the scan is complete, simply click Update Nows to update your drivers with one click. That's it. All your drivers are updated. Make sure to restart your computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.